Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Accidentally deleting your Outlook calendar can feel like a disaster, but you can usually get it back in just a few steps. First, open your Outlook application and go to the folder list view. Look for the folder labeled Deleted Items. Click on it and search for your missing calendar or the specific appointments you lost. If you see your calendar there, right-click it and select Move to Folder. Choose the Calendar section to restore it immediately. If the calendar is not in the Deleted Items folder, you need to look deeper. At the top of the Deleted Items folder window, look for a link that says Recover Items Recently Removed from this folder. This opens a secondary window with items that were permanently deleted. Scroll through this list to find your calendar entries. Select the items you want back and click Restore Selected Items. This will move them back into your Deleted Items folder, and from there, you can move them back to your main calendar. If you are using the web version of Outlook, the process is similar. Go to the Deleted Items folder on the left sidebar and look for the recovery link at the top. If you are part of a business or school organization and still cannot find your data, contact your IT department. They often have server-side backups that can restore your entire mailbox to a previous date. To avoid this in the future, try to export your calendar data as a backup file regularly. This ensures you always have a copy of your schedule saved locally on your computer.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.